Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Manish Kumar and my team members are Varun and Nissan. So our cloning app is the Myntra app. So this is our product, Myntra app. So just click on it. So you can see the splash screen. After splash screen, you navigate it in the home screen. In the home screen, you can see all the shopping list from here. So actually, Myntra app without login, you can see all the data. Just go to the profile section and click on login button. Enter mobile number and name, yeah, and the password. After filling all the things, just click on continue. After clicking continue, we just save the data in the local. So just click on menu bar. You can see from here and also see those data in the profile section. Yeah, just go to the if you want to log out, you can log out from here, but I don't want to. So just go to the explore page. Yeah, in the explore page, in the Mintra, you can explore all the things. But this is the static one. We haven't implemented these things. So just go to the studio page. In the studio page, Mintra introduced their new feature. People can share their fashion things. So just you can see from here. If you want to share anything, you just click on this and you can share from here. Uh, we implemented this thing in the recycler view, which data is fetching from the asset folder. Yeah. For the further presentation, I hand over to the Varun.
Okay, thank you, Manish. So here is the category sections, which data is divided in categories. So let's click on the furniture categories. So after clicking on the furniture categories, here the data populates regarding the furniture categories. So let's move towards the home section. So here we implemented horizontal recycle view for this view pager and tab view for this, and many data we have implemented here. So if we want to search something and click something, we can search by using clicking on them. So I have clicked on the kids. So here is the data regarding kids we can see here. And if we want to search something by typing them, so we can search here. And if I type something and search, the data has come here. So we searching for shoes and the list of shoes is here. So we use recycle view for this, and the data is fetching from the asset folder of the local. So if I clicking the shoes, here's this image of shoes and the data regarding to the shoe. And there is thing that we implemented those. If we haven't log in, the the app shouldn't allow us to log and add to the card. So let's add to the cart. So yeah, we have to select the size first, then we added this product successfully in the cart. And if we want to place the order, we can place the order by clicking here. We didn't implement the money section, like means buying section like this. And that's all. Thank you. And here is the logout. So I'm logging out. Thank you.